Iziphathimandla zithi lobuchwepheshe obusha buzoletha uguquko olungakaze lubonwe ekulweni nobugebengu. Lokhu kuzoletha uguquko eqiniseni ezomthetho njengoba lezi indiza zikwazi ukundizela phezulu ukwedlula izithwebuli zithombe zasemoyeni ezihamba zodwa ngamafishane ama-drones.
It's probably the only place that's going to be deployed. Is going to be our hotspot, so this will start working with our LEAP officers in the 13 highest crime rate areas. When these technologies are layered and used in tandem, they become valuable. They're not a substitute for boots on the ground. And you'll start seeing this now interrupting cash and transit heists, armed robberies and other criminal offences where we'll be able to quickly pivot that resource from what it is doing in one place to support the operational resources or SAPS's request in another part.
Ukuze konke lokhu kufezeke, Lelidolobha litshale imali elinganiselwa ezigidini eziyishumi-nesishiyagalolunye.
It would be a waste of money for us to use it 24 hours a day. So it needs to be used at those hotspot locations in the hot times so that we can get best bang for our buck. And that is how you start to use all that evidence, all that data that we collect. Now we know where the officers need to be deployed, because the alternative is hiring thousands of more officers, which is much more expensive.
Kulindeleke ukuthi lobuchwepheshe budluliselwe kweminye iminyango kahulumeni, umasipala kanye nasembuthweni wamaphoyisa.